Last Monday, Commissioner Oettinger, in one conference in Vilnius, rhetorically asked the audience why it's possible to buy French champagne in Vilnius, but not to use solar and wind energy generated in Spain or Portugal. Dear ladies and gentlemen, energy security is a global, but at the same time regional and local issue. Unfortunately, energy security is not free of charge. It's a very expensive matter. Energy security is the balance of ambitions and ammunitions. Renewables are most reliable ammunition. Every country has traditional domestic renewables, used 1,000 years. A no-regret scenario presented by President of European Commission, Mr. Barroso, this summer is based on three pillars: on security of supply, competitiveness, and sustainability. Security of supply, at which prices? Last year, EU gas prices were 5 times higher than in United States. This year, EU electricity prices are 2.3 times more expensive than in United States as well. In the case of Lithuania, 3 times more expensive. Competitiveness. How and how long European Union can compete in global markets with so excited, so overpriced energy resources? Sustainability. Sustainability is bright ideas plus energy. Is it realistic or mission impossible to stay sustainable with 60% of dependence on imported fossil fuels today, and with 80% in 2035? Renewables could lead us to excellent exit from so high dependence of European Union on imported energy resources. Unfortunately, most renewables are still more expensive than fossil fuels. That's why very powerful economic group, Business Europe, called on the President of European Commission, Mr. Barroso, to shift EU energy policy from climate change mitigation to cost competitiveness and supply security. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I have two news, a good one and a bad one. A good one: renewables are booming. EU will reach anyway the target of 20% of renewables by 2020. Lithuania already did that. A bad one: renewables goes far beyond of Lithuanian presidency and EU strategy for Baltic Sea Region. Renewables is a journey, not a destination. Dear ladies and gentlemen, what we would like to get from renewables? At least 3 points. Firstly, clear message. Do we need additional measures? Do we need additional support schemes? How to dismantle barriers and so on? Secondly, drivers. What recommendation could be delivered for national decisions, more effective national decisions, for local authorities? How to reach that renewables would become commercially viable? And thirdly, what's the role of EU energy policy? The most simple answer: no role at all. EU energy policy should write a scenario. What kind of? For example, for Lithuania,